Welcome to KNUTH Machine Tools, your reliable and quality machine tools provider. Today we are introducing the VHF 3 Universal Milling Machine. This is a robust machine with large travels on axes for milling and drilling operations. The machine bed is a heavily ribbed casted construction with extra wide rectangular guideways on the Y and Z axes. The longitudinal movement is done on strong dovetail guides which efficiently absorb the vibration under heavy loads. The large machine table offers plenty of space for clamping devices and large workpieces and has a travel path of 750 mm in the X-axis. Automatic feeds and rapid traverse allow fast, efficient machining, and the adjustable end stops greatly simplify operation machining and relieve the operator. The spindle speeds for horizontal and vertical spindles can be selected using separate gearboxes. The vertical milling head can be swiveled 45 degrees to the left and right. With the swiveled milling head, drilling and milling operations can also be done at an angle. For drilling, the sleeve feed can be moved via turnstile type handle, and for milling, the fine feed can be carried out using a hand wheel. In addition, the quill can also be moved by an automatic feed and has an adjustable stop for the drilling depth. For horizontal machining with long milling arbors, the upper beam can be turned completely upside down on the stand and a stable counter holder can be installed. The VHF 3 offers universal machining solutions for many milling applications and is ideally suited for repair shops and training departments. This model is equipped with the new generation of our standard position indicators. Greater work accuracy with a lower error rate and greater production reliability are among the major advantages. At KNUTH Machine Tools, we offer a variety of powerful milling machines and extensive accessories. Speak to one of our KNUTH representatives today for the best solution for your business.